Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Familia. In today's vlog, we are going to Michael's, which is a craft store in Richmond Hill, Ontario. The exact location for it is 20 John Burkle Road number 2, and the zip code is L4S 0B2. There's a very big spring sale going on, so I would recommend to you to go right now as soon as possible in order to find your art and craft supplies in a very affordable price. You can get art and crafts, seasonal decor, and custom framing. They also have art frames, foamic sheet, wool, masking tapes, pots, gardening supplies, and flowers, along with a lot of other stuff. Let's have a round of the store. From Monday to Saturday, it opens at 9 a.m. and closes at 9 p.m. as well. However, on Sunday, it opens at 10 a.m. and closes at 7 p.m. As you've been seeing in our previous videos, my mom is making a new canvas every other day. So obviously we need to buy new canvases, new paints, and everyone recommended this store. And we've pretty much found everything. It's a good experience. You find good deals and the staff is very helpful as well. However, I'll just let you guys know in case you want to go as well that the regular prices are very expensive. So it's a pretty good idea to go right now during the big seasonal sale. It is pretty rare to find big sizes of canvases or even small sizes of canvases in Canada. Most of the time, if you want to get one which is not the regular size, you have to order from an online platform. But thankfully, in Michael's, that's not the case. You can find very large ones, as you can see over here, or very small ones as well. If you enjoy knitting just like my little sister, then you should definitely come here and purchase knitting tools. You also get a variety of the type of wools and colors. And if you don't enjoy art and crafts or knitting, then do not worry, you can still come here and buy gardening or flower tools if that is what you enjoy. This was personally my favorite place of the whole store. It is so adorable and so cute. Now we're gonna go to the baking area. This store is one of my mom's favorite store ever because it has all the things that she enjoys. Knitting, gardening, baking, and obviously, as you know, art. And with that, we're gonna end our tour and gonna go towards the cache. You should definitely get membership cards in order to get more discounts. You can see how long we took shopping. We entered when it was daylight, and now that we're going home, it's nighttime. I hope you liked our vlog. Please like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon. Bye!